This is Barry Zalma speaking for Claim School Incorporated's blog, Zalma on Insurance. Today we can talk about why an assignment of benefits is invalid in Florida for failure to comply with the statutory requirements, because the Florida statute limits the right of the insured to assign benefits of an insurance claim. Holding Insurance Companies Accountable, LLC, or HICA, challenged the entry of a summary judgment for American Integrity Insurance Company of Florida. HICA, as an assignee of post-loss insurance benefits, sued American Integrity for breach of contract. The trial court ruled that HICA lacked standing to sue because the assignment that it relied on did not follow the governing statute. In Holding Insurance Companies Accountable, LLC, as the assignment and assignee of Leonard Caruso versus American Integrity Insurance Company, the Florida Court of Appeals on January 3, 2025, resolved the dispute between the parties. Leonard Caruso owns a house in the Villages. In 2019, the house suffered roof damage, and Caruso reported the loss to his insurer, American Integrity. He selected Nolan's Roofing to repair the damage and signed a direction of payment instructing American Integrity to pay Nolan's Roofing directly. After receiving American Integrity's valuation of his claim, Caruso signed an assignment of benefits contract with HICA in 2020. HICA is a business that purports to help homeowners enforce their insurance rights. The document indicated that HICA would not provide, quote, any services to protect, repair, restore, or replace Caruso's property, or to mitigate against further damage to Caruso's property as contemplated by Florida Statute Section 627.7152. However, it stated that any payments shall be made in accordance with any direction of payment relative to Caruso's claim. Ultimately, HICA, as Caruso's assignee, sued American Integrity for breach of contract, alleging that American Integrity failed to pay the full value of Caruso's claim. HICA demanded payment in accordance with the existing direction of payment. American Integrity raised lack of standing as an affirmative defense, maintaining that the assignment was invalid and or void, and the court granted American Integrity's motion. The court order included these findings. The parties agree that HICA did not comply with the provisions of Florida Statute Section 627.7152. The issue for the court to determine is whether the assignment of benefits obtained by HICA from Caruso is subject to the statute. The court specifically finds that there is sufficient evidence in this case to show that any money recovered in this case would be used to make repairs to the roof by Nolan Roofing, and the payment would be made to Nolan Roofing, and therefore the court found that Nolan Roofing's sent the direction to pay to American Integrity, and the court found that the assignment agreement specifically says that HICA will make payments in accordance with the direction to pay. In addition, the court found that HICA, through its verified answers to American Integrity's interrogatories, has indicated that proceeds from any recovery in this case would be used to pay Nolan's Roofing. Nolan's Roofing Incorporated is the chosen contractor upon which the insured executed a direction to pay. Section 627.7152 was enacted by the Florida legislature in 2019 to regulate assignment agreements that seek to transfer insurance benefits from the policyholder to a third party. Under the statute, an assignment agreement is an instrument by which post-loss benefits under a residential property insurance policy are assigned or transferred or acquired in any manner to or from a person providing services to protect, repair, restore, or replace property or to mitigate against further damage to the property. Before assigning his benefits to HICA, Caruso signed a direction of payment in favor of Nolan's Roofing, which instructed American Integrity to make Nolan's Roofing a payee on any disbursement check. Here the chosen vendor, Nolan's Roofing, not HICA. HICA's corporate representative also acknowledged that the goal of HICA's lawsuit was to recover the replacement costs of Caruso's roof plus interest and related costs. Therefore, there was no genuine dispute that, consistent with the assignment's terms, any funds recovered by HICA will go to Nolan's Roofing. As the trial court found, the mandatory pass-through of benefits from HICA to Nolan's Roofing places the assignment within the broad reach of Section 627.7152, even though HICA will not personally scale Caruso's house to repair his roof. It is seeking funds to facilitate those repairs. The assignment HICA relies on is an assignment agreement under the statute. The legislature mandated that such agreements comply with all other provisions of the statute, and because the assignment here did not do so, it is invalid and unenforceable, and without a valid assignment, HICA has no standing to sue American Integrity. In my opinion, because the state of Florida found that there was an abuse by roofers, contractors, and others by use of assignment of benefits, increasing unnecessary litigation and impacting the availability of insurance for citizens of Florida, the statute was brought into force to limit the assignments. The statute was violated by Plaintiff HICA, and its suit was found to be based upon an invalid and unenforceable assignment. Hopefully, this will reduce multiple lawsuits based on assignments. This video was adapted from my blog, Selma on Insurance, which is available free to anyone who clicks on the URL selma.com/blog. You can subscribe to the blog, and if you do, you'll receive notice of every blog posting, usually 5, sometimes 6 a week, and you will also have access to the more than 4,950 blog postings. You can also subscribe to the videos. They're free. And please tell your friends and colleagues about the blog and the videos so that they too can subscribe. And if you're interested in further detail about insurance, insurance claims, insurance law, and insurance fraud, please consider subscribing for a very small fee to my Substack publication. Thank you for your attention.